These are paintings on canvas that we bought in Thailand, and we brought them over here, and then I made stretcher frames for the canvases out of poplar wood, mounted the canvas, and then I made the hanging frames again out of poplar wood. I then stained the mounting frames, and I did not like how dark the wood was, so I went and I got some gold spray paint, and I just hit it lightly, and it seemed to bring the frames alive. So it looks pretty good for a amateur that I am.
กรอบรูปเหล่านี้นะคะคุณสามีเป็นผู้ทำด้วยตนเองทั้งหมดสวยไหมคะ Which one you like the most?
Mine is more of either a.
Which one you like the most?
Like this one.
Why?
And I like this one.
Why?
I like this one because of the cool blue colors, the greens, the blues, and then the red of the tree makes it pop out. Here, it is a warm feeling. It's got that yellow, that green, the very earth tones, and then yet you've got a tree that is reddish and it pops out.
You have done very good job. เราพ่นสเปรย์สีทองทับลงไปค่ะทำให้สีของกรอบนะคะอ่อนละมุนลงค่ะ